Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha. So today we are practicing day 13 of our 21 days yoga challenge. Alright, so before I start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video it will reach on you. You can also follow me on the Instagram. So before we start, I want you to do all your warm up as well as complete your few steps of Surya Namaskara, at least 5 to 10 minimum, so that whatever practice we are going to make right now will be easier for you. Your body is already warmed up enough, your body is already flexible slightly so that you don't find it too tight when we start the practice. Keep your shoulders relaxed, spine straight, both the hands on your knee. Close your eyes, chin down. Now observe your spine, try to lengthen your spine up as much as possible. Try not to round your shoulder and sit. So lift it up all the way, take the help of your palm, spine straight, open up your shoulder. Now take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Once again, deep breath in and deep breath out. Open your eyes. Extend your right hand on the shoulder. So don't lean, just drop it down on the floor. Now stretch your hand all the way up and down. Same thing the other side. Up and down. Up. Stretch your arm and down. And up and down. Lift your both the hands up straight. Lengthen your spine. Hold. Keep your spine straight. Take a deep breath in. If your spine is too tight, you can feel a bit of difficulty in sitting in straight line. You can feel there is some congestion in your back. So just hold here for a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands down. And then get your both the knee together. Come on your bum. Now make sure you both the wrist in one straight line and take your leg back. So when you are in a full plank, make sure that you are not pushing your heels back or your chest forward. Keep your whole body on your fingertips of your toe as well as on your wrist. Now wherever you are, so generally when we practice Parvatasana, so we practice Parvatasana like this, okay? So where our heels will be slightly forward. See, when you, from Parvatasana, when you come to full plank, gently your chest is slightly forward, so your shoulder is slightly moving ahead than your wrist. If you observe, this should not happen. So basically you are in a full plank. From full plank you are going to Parvatasana. From here, without moving your wrist ahead or your foot ahead, Parvatasana. Drop your heels down, okay? Now, if you can drop your heels down, great. If not, if you think your hamstring are too tight, you can't really go down, wherever you are there right now, just hold. From here, keep your right leg stable, get your left leg slightly back and just press your left heel down. So knee straight, spine straight, don't lose the balance. Come ahead. Same thing the other side. Down. Now from here, get your both the legs slightly back again. Try pushing your heels down. Push your hip up, look forward so that you don't lose the balance. Okay, try pushing your heels down. You can feel a very deep stretch in your hamstring. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Come to center. See, when you come to center, your wrist and your shoulder is in straight line. And then moving forward, get your both the foot one step ahead and come to Parvatasana. Try to keep your knees straight. Doesn't matter if your heel doesn't go down or not. Keep your knees straight, tucked in. Now get your both the legs together, closer to each other. Tuck your tummy in, hip up, spine straight, without lifting your right heel. Or say if you are here, then try to keep it stable. Do not keep moving your leg. If you can keep your both the heels down, perfect. Now lift your left knee, bend your knee. If you can see, my both the knees in straight line. From here, kick your knee up without lifting your right heel. Up and get your knee forward to forehead. Exhale. Inhale, look up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, look up. So when you're here, you can feel a complete deep stretch in your right leg. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now get your right foot in left foot. Sorry, we're working on the left foot right now. Keep your left foot in between both the palm. Now drop your back heel down. Slowly come to center. Spine up. Both the knees straight. If you think the distance is too much, decrease the distance. Make sure that you have a good grounding. You are comfortable on the floor. You're not losing the balance. Now from here, inhale, lift your both the hands up straight. Tuck your tummy in. Lift your spine up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, give a gentle back bend. Exhale, bend forward 90 degree. So when you're bending forward, try not to bend your knee. Keep your hands extended. If you think this is your capacity, just great, hold. If you think you can go forward, you can stay here. Inhale. Exhale, both the hands up, elbows straight, open up your chest. From here, inhale, come up, gentle back bend. Exhale, bend forward. Once you reach here, you're going to lift your hand up, elbow straight. Both the knees are going to be straight. Now inhale up, observe your lower spine. And exhale, hold. You can go down as much as you can or you want. This is something where you can hold and wait for few counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release the posture. Gently bend your knee, drop your palm down. Take your leg back to Parvatasana. Now keep your left heel down, stable. Bend your right leg. So when you bend your right leg, you're both then you're going to be in a straight line. So kick your leg up with inhalation, look forward. Exhale, knee to forehead. Don't move your neck too much. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Inhale, look forward. Exhale. Inhale, gonna stay. 5, observe the stretch. 4, 3, 2, try to open up your hip. 1, now get your leg in between both the palm. Drop your heel down, slowly come up straight. Your priority is to keep your knee straight. Try not to bend your knee. Comfortable with all the balance. Now focusing on your spine. Inhale, come up. Back bend. Exhale, bend forward 90 degree. And then open up your chest. Inhale, come up. Back bend. Go as slow as possible. Exhale, forward. Look down to your toe. Inhale, come up. Exhale, forward. You're going to hold. Open up your chest. Stay there for a few counts. Observe what's happening inside. 3, 2, 1. Drop your palm down. Now, so from here, this is again optional. For those, if you have a good core strength, you can practice this only if you can. Just give a try, or you can just move your leg one by one. If you think you can practice this, keep your core muscles slightly tight. From here, you're going to jump and you're going to exchange your both the legs. From here, okay, one more time. From here, keep your core muscles engaged. Give a simple jump. Last one more time. Okay, now drop your heels down. Come to center, turn towards. Both the foot facing forward. Again, spine straight. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Once again, inhale. Exhale, slowly bend forward, only 90 degrees. Try not to bend your knee. If you think your hips are too tight, your hamstrings are too tight, you can slightly keep it bent. But then you see whatever works well with you. So be here. Now keep your right hand on the left knee, left hand on the right. So as you have more coverage towards your right side, so turn your shoulder completely towards the right side. So look out. So try to hold your knee from outside. It completely depends on your flexibility. Try not to force too much, but then see how much you can practice. Inhale. Exhale, release. The other side, same thing. Just change your hand the other side. Hold your left knee. Turn to the left side. 3, 2, 1. Center. Drop your both the hands. Now bend your knee. Get your legs together to Vajrasana. Okay. From here, lift your both the hands up straight. Lift your knee. Give a back bend. And child posture. Inhale up. Exhale down. The last one, inhale up and exhale down. And stay here as far as you want to stay there and feel better. This was a very mild practice again. You can repeat the sequence 2 to 3 times. If you have any doubt during this practice, you can write it in the comment box. You can also write to me in Instagram. We'll surely reply for that. Alright, so keep practicing. I'll be happy to see you again tomorrow morning. Thank you.